Alright, what's up guys? TubRepairStore.com. Alright, today we're working in a crack on the wall of a bathtub that is leaking water and will damage this house. We're using a large wall repair kit from TubRepairStore.com. These kits are designed to fix holes in the walls of your tub that are as big as a softball. This fixes the critical damage. All types of people have used our kits. We've had dental hygienists and their daughters complete serious repairs with our kits. We've had several people with no handyman experience. We've had tub repair professionals prefer to use our kits. I believe in you to be able to follow our system and repair your tub and save a lot of money. See, when you look at a big hole in your wall and you see water going through it, you think, oh my gosh, that's going to cost me so much money to repair or replace. But it actually doesn't. And repairing it doesn't take that long. All you really need to know is how to do it and have the materials to do it with. Our kits come with all the materials you need and all the instruction you need to complete a beautiful repair.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Alright, welcome back to Earth. I want you to understand that this repair is very doable. Taking your time, following our system, you can save your tub and it can look good. And we're not just talking about saving the tub and it looks ugly, we're talking about saving the tub and saving the equity in your house. We do this day in and day out. So if you have any questions, you can contact me. I will answer the phone and help walk you through your repair if you'd like. You can email us pictures of your damage, and I will take a look at that, and it will help me even guide you through a repair. But basically, you've got two repairs. You've got wall repairs and you have floor repairs. We have a kit for both, and we're talking critical damage. So go to TubRepairStore.com, give us a call, reach out. We want to save you some money.